here's a step-by-step guide on how you can get an Amazon Flex debit card. First, you will need to become an Amazon Flex driver. You must already be delivering with Amazon Flex. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to become a Flex driver first before you can qualify for their card. You will then check the Amazon Flex app. The debit card is usually offered through the Amazon Flex Rewards program. You want to open up the Amazon Flex app, then go to the Rewards tab. Look for an option like Flex Debit Card or Cash Out Instantly. And if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area yet, or your account might not qualify yet. How can we apply for the debit card? Once the option shows up, you will need to fill out the application in the app and wait for your physical card to arrive, or use a virtual card immediately if it is offered. Step 4, you can get paid instantly. The debit card lets you cash out instantly after deliveries. Use it like a regular debit card for purchases or ATM withdrawals, and you can also track your balance right from the Amazon Flex app. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.